day again. You're camping in the house, but we're getting our cheers. We have widgets. I learned about Whip Honey over there.
Slightly overwhelmed with the amount of stuff that we keep in certain rooms.
And
that's where the problem is.
And we have also Cocoa Pops, but it's in our kitchen.
Whatever you can think of. Storage bins full of
So we are watching something very good about cleaning up and tidying up. Look at what we want.
It'd be nicer that way. Now it's like we have.
It might be good or something. You need to watch that in Netflix. If you buy Netflix in somewhere in Amazing and in the thing in Xbox, not in Xbox, I mean. If you turn off your Xbox, Netflix will be there.
But it's all for the better.
And you will watch about it.
Our guests, our family, our friends.
Bye guys. Comment and subscribe my video.
Yeah, bye bye.